extra space you had in your college dorm room?
No.
I didn't think so. They are small, but today we're getting some expert tips on how to make the most of the space.
Event and lifestyle expert Jamie O'Donnell of Jamie O & Company has some simple DIY dorm hack solutions to get you started off on the right foot this year. Jamie, nice to see you again.
Good morning, guys.
All right.
I just got into your snacks here.
Well, we both did, yeah.
See, so then it's a successful tip.
Yes,
Yes,
it is.
yes.
So what is this, a shoe holder?
This is, and this is a great tip to kind of maximize your dorm space. If you hang the shoe holder on the back of your main door, you can add all of your snacks hanging on your door, which I know in my dorm room, when I first walked in, I kind of had my mini fridge and my microwave there, so it just would work out perfectly. But that way you don't have boxes and everything stacked on top of each other. You can just organize it all into a shoe holder.
Space saving.
Space saving, there you go.
Good idea.
On the back of your door.
I like it.
So another great money-saving tip, actually, is if you want to have a whiteboard, but you don't want to go out and spend the money for a whiteboard, or you don't necessarily have a place for one, you can use just a plain old picture frame. And actually, the dry erase markers write right on the glass, and then you can just wipe it right
look
off.
at that. Now, it has to be glass, not acrylic.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, it actually might work on acrylic,
On
too.
acrylic too. Okay.
It might be acrylic.
Yeah.
But yeah, just use a picture frame and you can make it into your own whiteboard really easily.
That is a great
I
idea.
Great tip.
That is a good tip.
That.
Okay, so here's another tip. I don't know about you guys, but I always had the top bunk in my dorm.
I didn't have bunks.
You didn't?
Nope.
You went to a fancy school.
Well, no, not really.
So anyway, I always had to climb up and down, especially.
you.
So I ended up sleeping with like books and my phone and stuff under my pillow because I was too lazy to climb down. So
That explains a lot, Jamie.
doesn't it?
No,
I
I'm just
know.
kidding.
I know, doesn't it? So this is a great tip because this actually, this white frame is a garden holder, like what you put your flower holders in, and it has hooks on it, so you can actually hook it to the end of your bed.
Look at that.
Just buy a tray that fits into the center of it, and that way you can run a cord through to plug things in, and then you have a space for all of your tablets and books and things just hanging right there on your bed.
Genius.
Yeah, it really is
And actually,
smart.
you
I
can
love
get
that.
this at a home and garden store. I think I paid $8.99 for it. So it's, again, not
Very cool.
expensive and a good hack solution.
Now, what is this
Definitely.
here?
Okay, here's another great hack solution. So you can take a magazine rack, a magazine holder, turn it on its side, and then use those removable sticky strips, put them on each end, and then you put this into a corner, and it becomes
a shelf.
So you can hang this right over your bed. If you want to have, notes or glasses or things like that, that's
So
easily
smart.
accessible. Just use a magazine holder.
And these are very inexpensive, lightweight
Super inexpensive, very
organizers.
lightweight.
Yeah,
and
magazine organizers.
Those strips, those removable strips, they actually can hold a lot of weight.
Sure.
So it would work well for, a couple of books or your glasses or things, and you can just put it right above your bed in the corner.
Smart.
Great.
And make a little side table.
Now,
Oh, I
what'd
like
you
this
make
idea
here?
too with the utensil holder.
Yep, so this is just a repurpose utensil holder. Again, I think this was maybe $5 or $6. And you can just hang this on the wall, again with one of the removable hooks, and you can turn it into all the things that you need as you're running in and out the door. So your sunglasses, your keys, your student ID, things like that, and that way you can stay organized and not be searching all over for those
Very
things.
good.
Yes,
Great
very
idea.
important.
And what's our last thing over here?
And then lastly, another super cost-effective DIY trick, you can use a cookie sheet, a metal cookie sheet, and then just prop that up against your wall or on your armoire, and you can magnet your makeup to it, so that way you can find all your makeup, it's not all over the top of the counter, and you're ready to go
Or
whenever
use
you
it
need
as a magnetized memo board or something.
Exactly. You can
What
use
a
it
great
as a
idea. And you just wrapped it in
Love
thin
All
fabric?
I did is wrap it in thin fabric, and to be honest with you, you can glue it, but I didn't even do that. On this one, I just simply safety pinned the fabric in the back, so it was a no-sew project.
And you put magnets in the
Just
back
stick
of
them
your...
on.
Just stick
How
the
about
magnets
that?
onto the back of your makeup or any items that you want to organize.
You are so super
ready to go?
smart.
Such a brilliant, brilliant mind. Jamie O'Donnell, thank you very much. Makes me want to go back to school.
Great ideas. All right, we'll be right back.